I was fading in the silence, almost let the night forget. But there's a spark I can't extinguish. I'm not finished yet. Cold as concrete, neon on breath. Came too far to fever death. Lost sleep, lost friends, lost parts I won't get back again. Felt that weight inside my chest, like the dark knew me best. But pressure don't erase my name, it carves it deeper in stone.
In some ways, the fire has brought us an opportunity that we probably wouldn't have had.
Every time I fall apart, something pulls me from the dark. Every scar that is left didn't take my heartbeat yet. I'm not done, I'm not done, I'm still breathing.
Three, 2, 1.
PM1, Juliet Continental Park.
Still standing, if you're still standing, hey Daddy. If you're still standing where you're right here, it's the try to ray you off. Not yet. If you hit the floor tonight, get up. Ain't dead yet.
Congratulations on completing 100 races. Try to win some more.
Fading in the silence, but I'm not finished
What's your name and what's your role in the team?
My name's Jeff.
I'm Colin and I'm Aiden's number 1 mechanic.
Will, mechanic. I'm Mikey Doble and I'm the driver of the 88 Audi LKQ Eurocar Parts Powermax Racing.
My name's Charlie and I am number 1 mechanic for Mikey. Other than that, I look after and babysit the other 2 that work on the car with me.
My name's Dan and I am race engineer.
My name's Jack and I'm the fabricator and number 2 mechanic for Mikey Doble.
I'm Will. I build Mikey Doble's car for him.
Dexter, Patterson, apparently a driver.
Ethan and I'm the race engineer for Dexter Patterson.
My name's Sam and I'm Dexter's number 1.
Giddo, number 2 mechanic.
Terry, number 2.
I'm Jevon, number 3 mechanic, Patterson's car.
Nick, number 1 mechanic.
Alfie, number 2 on Halstead's car.
My name's Adam and I'm Nick Halstead's number 2.
I'm Sean, I'm number 3 mechanic, Nick Halstead.
I was fading in the silence, but I'm